Welcome to Retrocoder. I'm Nate Boffman. I devised this cool experiment, but you need a quantum computer to test it fully. But I want to go ahead and make a video about it anyways, just because it's pretty cool. When you take a picture, for example, and it goes onto a computer screen, if you look closely, what makes that picture is just little tiny pixels with different colors. And when you have those pixels lined up, it creates the picture or recreates the picture that you've taken with the camera. Well, with that being said, I thought it'd be interesting if I were to do a 400 by 600 pixel image and have the computer randomly choose a color for each pixel. Technically, if you ran this program an infinite number of times, that eventually the Mona Lisa would show up, or a picture of you, or a picture of me, or a picture of anything in the entire universe could possibly show up if this program could be ran an infinite number of times. So let's go ahead and go to the digital blackboard and check out the odds of actually the picture coming up with something recognizable, for that matter. The computer uses RGB color, which stands for red, green, and blue. There are 256 shades of each color ranging from 0 to 255. The combination of these shades makes a color. If you take 256 to the third power, since there are 3 color shades, you get 16,777,216. And that's just for a single pixel. In the experiment, I have a 400 by 600 pixel image, which makes up 2400 pixels. The odds of each pixel lining up perfectly at random to form an image is 16,777,216 to the 2400 power. The universe has not been around long enough for a classical computer to run the simulation long enough to get a recognizable image. It could take billions, maybe a trillion years. However, with a quantum computer, this experiment could be feasible. Let's go ahead and run the program and see what we get. That was interesting on what happened when we ran the program. If you remember back, if you're old enough at least, to the 80s and 90s, they had these pictures that had like this purple look to it, and if you stared at it long enough, the image would actually pop out at you. That's what it actually looked like when the program finished. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If not, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Either way, thanks for watching. Sit, Phoebe, sit. Good cat.